This is my school technology survey, and with my degree, I also get an education minor, and so education is always something I've been interested in. And I chose to interview my mom, Shelly Fisher. She's a third grade teacher at Line Creek Elementary School in the Park Hill School District, which is from Kansas City, Missouri, my hometown. These are my questions that I had for her. What is your most used piece of technology in your classroom? She said that besides computers, the document camera and the smartboard together are the big pieces that are used in her classroom. She is a student in charge of calibrating and turning them on every morning before they use them. Do you think technology in classrooms is beneficial for students' learning? She said that as long as technology is used correctly and for learning and is used for problem solving, then it's a good thing. But a lot of it's for show, and so it's not as beneficial for students and they're not learning as much out of it. But she also agrees that our world's going to technology, so students need to get on board and learn how to use it. Here's just a quick link to a YouTube lesson that I'm going to show a little bit of. This is my mom teaching in her classroom, and she's using her smartboard, and they're doing a quick lesson over figurative language. And we're not going to watch all of it, but I'll just show a little bit.
Okay, so we're going to match them. Is it a simile or is it a metaphor? Here we go. The inside, let's read it again, try to read it. Inside of the car was a refrigerator. Comparing one thing to another. Will you come put it in the correct column, Nelia? Is that a simile or a metaphor? If you agree with her, thumbs up. If you don't, thumbs down. Yeah, because it doesn't use like grass. All right, the next one. Let's read it. My dad was boiling mad. Eli. Metaphor, because why? Tell us why you chose that one.
Because it didn't have like
Compares, and what's it comparing?
to something that
My dad and what? Something. Well, his dad was angry, but he was comparing his dad to something that was boiling.
So here's just a little bit of an example of how they use the smartboard in their classroom and the interactive tools that are used with it. What changes, if any, would you make to your classroom technology? She said that, of course, always having updated computers and technology is the biggest thing. They don't have iPads in their classrooms, which might be a cool thing to add, she thought. K through second grade have 6 laptops per classroom, 3 through 4th have 12 computers per classroom, and then 5th grade does a one-to-one program, which means they each get their own computer and they do everything on that. Do you find students can use technology easier? She said this question would be a definite no. She said they're really good at playing games, and of course, some of them can grasp onto it and learn how to use it, but it might be beneficial to bring back actual computer teachers in the elementary schools because the students need help learning and figuring out how to use the different technologies that they have. What kinds of technology programs do you use in your classroom? The big one in her classroom is Google Drive. They use that to turn in assignments sometimes and communicate, but they also use Word and PowerPoint, of course. They've done Prezi and Powtoons, and here's a link just to a student showing how to use them. We don't have to watch that, but just an example.